Good evening everybody, STRANG here. Just going to do an updated video on Bitpanda. It's one of my favourite exchanges. I've used it since 2017. Never had any troubles with it whatsoever. It's a really great exchange, very simple to use, what I like about it. I've done a video 7 months ago. Now this is probably, out of all the exchange videos I've done, this is the one where people ask me the most questions. So I'm just going to go over those questions to give people an overview of Bitpanda. So Bitpanda, created in 2014, has now got over 1 million users. It's actually based in Vienna, Austria. I joined it personally in 2017. So it's very, very easy to use. I'll go through that in a minute. There is a link below. If you want to join using my link, entirely up to you. If you don't use my link, that's totally fine, but make sure you go on the official Bitpanda site and not a phishing site. I've mentioned that many times before. And there is a bonus if you sign up under the link. Basically, if you buy 25 euros worth, we both get 10 euros each. Not a huge amount, let's be honest, but it's a bonus just for basically joining Bitpanda, depositing, getting yourself some crypto. So again, entirely up to you. So when you literally initially join Bitpanda, you get this page, obviously. Sign in your email address, strong password, always say that, it's got to be a really strong password. And then also the 2FA, which I always mention about. I use iPhones, but it's on both Android as well as your iPhone. So whatever you do, use your Google Authenticator. For people not familiar with it, it's basically a little device on there. You cannot log on to Bitpanda, for instance, without your Google Authenticator. Every, I think it's 20 or 30 seconds, the numbers change. So you literally have to have your phone to log on to Bitpanda. It just gives you another level of security. So get your Google Authenticator. Now, when you've done that, so you go back on here, you sign up, click the email link, so you officially join, then you've got to verify your account. Now, Bitpanda are very stringent with their rules when it comes to verifying. You basically have to do like equivalent of a FaceTime call, where you have to basically show yourself and the person on the other end verifies that is you. Very strict. None of the other exchanges sort of do that like a FaceTime type call. But I say it's got many levels of security. The one downside which people have been messaging me about with Bitpanda, I wasn't aware they were doing this, so I've had quite a few messages about this. When you do your first deposit, it's got to be a bank transfer. Apparently, they won't allow you to use a debit or credit card on your first transaction, but after that, obviously, you can. The first time you use your debit or credit card, it's entirely up to you what you use, but you have to send a selfie with your credit card to, again, to prove it's you. That's how stringent they are with their security. So it's good in some respect, but other times it's quite frustrating. You have to sort of wait. But as I say, I've been using this now for nearly 4 years, and it's a great exchange. I've seen many reviews, got a lot of positive reviews on Trustpilot, which is something I really believe in as genuine reviews. Great customer service. A few times I've had to message their customer support. I've always got a response within the hour. Really good, even at the weekends. So once you've got on, you're verified, you're logged on, you've done your 2FA, you've got your strong password. At the moment, you can see on my dashboard, I've actually got a fair bit on here. Not in what some people call fair bit, but me, it's quite a bit. But I'm going to remove my Polkadot and VeChain. I've got some other wallets that I want to use. But at the moment, I can't withdraw it. They're just doing an upgrade and maintenance. So you can get many different cryptos on Bitpanda. We'll go through that in a minute. But what I like about it, it's just such an easy exchange to use. It's just no complication whatsoever. It really is a genuine. You can see down here, I don't do the savings plan myself, but it does allow you to commit a certain amount each month and create a savings plan by buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, just saving it basically. One thing with Bitpanda also, should have mentioned at the beginning, was it's supporting basically, Bitpanda supports countries all around the world, but buying cryptocurrency is only available in EU residents, and that within the SEPA. This means basically most of the EU members, plus your Monaco, your Norway, your Switzerland, your Iceland, Liechtenstein. But around the world, you can hold them on there, but you can't buy them the rest of the world. And also, what's different about Bitpanda, it's not just cryptocurrencies, it's also gold and silver you can get on here. Users outside the EU, but as I say, can use their accounts to store and send crypto, but they can't buy it on there. So that's only sort of downside to it. But additionally, I've also got Bitpanda Pro, which is available worldwide to trade cryptocurrency except for the USA and China. So there's many sides to Bitpanda. Scroll across to the top, you've got your trade, you've got your deposit. So for instance, if you just want to deposit, once you've verified, say you've done your first transaction, you want to use debit card's been accepted by them. You've got your different wallets, British pound, euro wallet, Swiss franc, US dollar and Turkish lira. So say that for me, it'd be the British pound. You go on here, you select what you want to select, okay? So do your bank transfer, your MasterCard, your Visa. So say I want to do MasterCard. Obviously, I'm not going to deposit at the moment because I've already got some on the account, but just do that. And you can go there, say you want to do, let's say, for instance, 35. See there, the minimum deposit is 25. You go to summary, you get British pound wallet, MasterCard, Gives you a fee there, 0.53, basically about 1.5% is the fees at the moment. That's across Visa and MasterCard. The bank transfer is actually free. The things with Bitpanda, you cannot withdraw to a debit card like you can on Binance, but you can withdraw to your bank on Bitpanda, which I've done many, many times using SEPA. It's got a lot quicker than it used to be. It's like 3 or 4 days. It's a lot quicker now. So basically what you do, you go there, you hit that, and you hit confirm. Let's just do it for the sake of the video. So what you do now, you now get a text message on your phone, which you've got to prove again it's you. This is how much security levels you go through. So they'll send you a text message with a PIN. You put the PIN in there. Then you go to the MasterCard page, you know, whether your MasterCard provider is or Visa or whatever you're using. And you put in your details and it buys. And then with literally 5-10 minutes, it's in your wallet. So if you go to wallets, you can see here. So I've got my different wallets here. You also got along top here, you can see here metals. I don't own any metals, gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. I don't do any of that. It's got indices. I just obviously purely cryptocurrencies. But you can also do, they do all. So it covers your fiat as well as your crypto wallets. So you scroll down. This is the different, I say, when I done my video 7 months ago, the amount of coins they've added on here. You can see now they've got a huge amount. They've got many of my favourites. You can see there, obviously, Cardano's on here, Chainlink. XLM, I don't own XLM, but it's still a great project. Wi-Fi, the one we missed out on last year. Polkadot, fantastic. VE Chain, you know, we scroll through it. SNX, I don't own the SX on here, absolutely wonderful project. Dash, an old favourite, you know, Tezos, Waves, you know, it's got so many on here. Feels on here, look, UMA, Ren, talked about Ren many times, Ontology, Compound, Qtum, got some little tiny bit of Qtum on here, Atom, 0x, Komodo, excellent privacy project, Kyber Networks on here, Lisk as well, and basically attention tokens. So many on here, absolutely loads. Now there's 2 ways basically you can do it. So you either go on, say for instance, let's for argument's sake, I'm going to buy some Cardano, my favourite. So I can go on there, buy, and it states there with that wallet. Or you can actually do it either way. You can basically just go on your British wallet and then say, no, not that one. Then that's it. So that's it. Then you hit Cardano like that. So you can do it either way that you want. So for instance, if I put in maximum, it states there, look at that, £34, only give me 100, nearly 132 ADA, that's all you get. Remember this time last year when I done a video, I think I just purchased 25,000 ADA on Bitpanda. It's worth £1,000. And here we are today, I can only get 131 with £35. Just shows how much ADA's gone up. Anyway, so basically it states there, you paid with their own token best, you get an additional 0.67 ADA. Not really worth it, to be honest, but they do prefer you to use the best. Obviously, it's their own token, similar to the Binance BNB, KU coin, KCS's coin. It basically, I hereby agree to early fulfillment of this transaction, thus I forego my right of withdrawal of the contract. So basically, once you hit that, you buy now, you'll get it at that fee and that price. So buy now, buy successful. That's how quick it is. So from depositing it to actually getting the crypto you want is so quick. Congratulations, you successfully bought 131 ADA. Okay, so now you go back here, go back to your wallets, and you can see there that it's on there. So that's how easy it is. You know, very, very easy. But say it's got many, many different ones on here, many great projects on here. It's so easy to use. And again, if you want to take profits, if you want to withdraw, if you want to get your money back, you know, you just basically hit the wallet, whichever one you've got positive funds in, obviously, do there, and you just sell it. So what you do is hit sell. Obviously, I'm not going to do it, and you select which one you want to sell it to. So obviously, I'd sell it to the British pound wallet. You'd go like that. Now, obviously, I'm not going to sell it because I want to keep it. I don't know. I put it in my dollar wallet this evening, but it basically states there you could put in ADA or GBP. So if I wanted to withdraw, let's say 200 quid's worth, it would then tell me how much ADA that would be. So, you know, £200 worth would actually mean I've got to sacrifice 805 ADA. You can see it down here. Or you can actually just put in how much ADA you want. So say I want to get rid of, I don't know, let's say 1,000 ADA. That would give me 248 British pounds. You do that, you go to summary, the next page, you select, and instantly it's in your GBP wallet. Now, once it's in your whatever currency you're using, I'm using British wallet obviously because that's what I use. You do there, then all you do is withdraw. Obviously, I've got no funds at the moment, but if I had funds in it, it would just say minimum. Again, it's minimum £25 to withdraw. Withdraw there. I've already got my bank, my SEPA bank account number stored on Bitpanda. So I basically hit withdraw, select. You then get an email to state that you definitely want to withdraw. You approve that email, and boff, that's it. It's in your bank. That's how easy Bitpanda is. A, to buy, B, to get the cryptocurrency if you want, but then how easy it is to get back to fiat if you want to take profits. Now, I get many people talking to me, it's great having this crypto, how do you spend it? I probably need to do a video where I talk about fiat to crypto to fiat to crypto. It's so many ways now. A few years ago, very limited. There's very few debit cards. Visa really clamped down on sort of all the ones who didn't follow their regulations. But nowadays, we have so many options to spend your crypto. We've obviously talked about debit cards for your WIREX, your Crypto.com, your Ethereum, your block, the block card with Turnio. There's so many debit cards now. But with Bitpanda, you just withdraw to your bank. You basically sell your crypto to your chosen fiat currency, withdraw to your bank. Coinbase now is very easy. You sell it to your British pound PayPal wallet, withdraw to your PayPal. That is the quickest way. That literally takes like minutes. Even BINANCE, you can withdraw to your debit card. There's so many options now out there to spend your crypto for everyday usage. But as I always say, all these videos, it's entirely up to you. You know, never put any money into crypto you can't afford to lose. No one can guarantee you future prices. It's a very volatile market. So just take your time, read up on Bitpanda. I think it's a great little exchange. I've used it many, many times. I'll put the link below about the fees for support with Bitpanda. It talks about the fees and everything else to do with Bitpanda. I say the customer support is fantastic. Their actual token best, BEST, is now ranked 224. It's quite rapidly in the charts over the last few months. You can see the market cap is now 142 million. And it's obviously best is part of the Bitpanda ecosystem token, providing customers better rates of trading and functionality across its platform. As I say, similar to the Binance coin. Finally, the sort of team launched this ICO project a while ago called Pantos Pan, which aims to be an open source, open innovation driven scientific research project. So that was their own ICO within the Bitpanda ecosystem. But Best itself, yeah, it's doing really well. 36 cents at the moment. Its all-time high was actually a couple of weeks ago, it's 45 cents. Last March it was only 4 cents. So it's doing well. So it's factored, so ranked 224 is really good. Volume in the last 24 hours, 121,000. Previous day was even more high. Total supply is about 40% roughly. So even their own sort of tokens doing really, really well. Also, another link I put below is their blog. They give regular updates. You can see across here, home, the news about the best token, about Bitpanda Pro, education, the engineering, and the team. You can see all down here, it's all the updates and what Bitpanda's doing behind the scenes and everything about it. So again, I put the link below. So as I say, getting started with Bitpanda is very easy. I say my link's below. Get yourself some free, spend 25 euros, both get 10 euros each. As I say, not a lot, but there's a link below. Entirely up to you if you want to use it. As usual, if you want any help, email me, info@cryptostrang.com. Social media links below. Help any way I can. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.